place we're at here. It's called Auto Works, and these are the various models and things that you can get, styles and that. And we're going to go inside, take a look, see how they build these things, get a price list, and just see what some of the options are. So we'll do that, and we'll be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. Bye for now. Right, everybody. If you're looking to buy one of these multi-cabs, these Suzukis, this is the place that actually builds them right here. What they do, they buy them from Japan with the top chopped off. And I don't know if you can see where it's cut off at. They cut the front off, like up here. That's where this Bondo is, and then they cut the back off down there where that Bondo is. And if it's a van, it's the same way. It goes all the way back. Or double cab. Yeah, see, this is a van here, right here. But they're painting these. They get them back from. They're called surplus. And this place will paint them any color you want, whatever you want, your options, manual, automatic, you tell them, and they get one. There's one there that they're working on now. And I don't know if they have a finished product around here. You can look around. This is the window tint. See, they're putting window tint. This is the window tint. Plastic stuff here, the strips that they're cutting out. Oh, this is like a multi-cab, or like a service van. In the U.S., we might call it like a panel truck there, or it's not for commercial passenger use when it's got the door and stuff back there. This is somebody's private, you know, delivery type van, kind of a thing. And they got different years too. See this one here that kind of sticks out. Yeah, see, they got two kinds. They have three kinds. This one that sticks out is not the newest, but the one before that. And it's got fuel injection. You see how the front end sticks out here? And this one over here, the front end doesn't stick out. See? It just kind of goes down like that. This is a carbureted one. They're 3-cylinder engines. And the newer ones have 4 valves per cylinder. And the old ones may just have 2, so they'd be a 6-valve and a 12-valve engine. But see, they're doing the upholstery in them. Here's the over the back. If you have the truck and you want to sort of cover the back, not enclose it, because this part here is open. This here, actually, that's laying down. Of course, it would go like that. So that would be a cover for the back, and it's fiberglass. And I don't know if they get those or if they make them here, but you can see it's pretty well constructed with the ribs and stuff. It looks like a factory, you know, kind of engineered product. And so here they're painting all the engine work black, just to make it look clean. And these have around, I'm guessing around 100,000 miles on them, 200,000 kilometers on them, roughly. That's a rough conversion there. This is the van here. They got the sliding door on the side, and I'm kind of close because we're kind of tight quarters here. I'd like to get back more for you guys so you can really see it. So you got basically 3 models. In general, you've got the pickup with the 2 doors, one on each side. You've got the double cab over here that I have to walk through. This is all wet and mud and stuff, so it's kind of messy. Try to get through here, and I got new tennis shoes, so this is the van. So you can see on the van too where they welded, where they cut the top, and when they ship it, these tops get beat up. See this here, it's all beat up, so they have to Bondo all that and fix it all up, and then they weld it. You can see right there, and they weld it again right there. I didn't know they had 2 welds. I thought they just had 1 weld where they cut the top off, but this one's got 2 welds, and there's a 3rd weld there. So maybe somebody did like a sloppy job when they were chopping this thing up. No, well, it looks like they cut the top into three pieces. It looks like they cut this whole top part, this whole flat part, took it off. And then they cut this section with the window out, and then cut that section with the door, sliding door rail out, and welded it all back. So over here again, this is what's called the transformer model. Yeah, I'm trying to get back far enough that you can see, but that's got this is the latest one here. This is the newest edition here. And over here is the double cab. So you've got the truck, which is this one here. You can see it's got the truck, and you put a little cover on the little rails and stuff. And they have 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. And over here is the double cab. So you got 4 doors. The back one slides on both sides, and then you have a little kind of an open, back here for, put stuff in, like a pickup truck, like that. And again, these aren't, finished. They're painting these right now, but you can see all of the Bondo work that they do. You can see right here, it's just what I just touched it slightly. So I got to sand all that down, but they do a fair job on all this work that they do here. So anyway, again, you got 3 models. You got the pickup truck, you got the double cab with the pickup with the short bed and the dual cab, and then you got the van. And if the front end kind of sticks out, but then it's square, kind of flat like that, that's a transformer. I think they also call it a 64. And the earlier one is called a 63. And I'm assuming the one before that, that's carbureted, is a 62. But, so anyway, this is typical Philippine stuff here, where it's kind of really helter-skelter, but the finished product looks pretty decent. And the prices on these are, and this is at this place. Other places may have higher prices or lower prices. Anyway, these are some of the models they have, and you can get whatever paint design. They'll, give you designs, or if you want to put your business name on the side or what have you, logo, they'll do that for you. And
picture the price there?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
See this thing? Is there a light? Can this light be turned on?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I'll just kind of start at the top here. Okay. Budget meal, semi-loaded. I don't know. Oh, this is the Scrum 51T, and I don't know if that's really focusing well. This is the big eye here, 52T, 62T here. This is the Transformer 63T, and you can see the prices, and I hope you can read that. I'm really not. Here, Transformer 63, those are the prices. There's a fan and double cab here. And these are what you get on it, okay? So it kind of corresponds with the other side. And on the Transformer 63T, these are the prices and what it comes with. There. This is the big eye. And this is, I think, this should be still a fuel injected one. And you can see kind of what they call them. And over here's the prices and what you get on them. Now, do all of these come with aircon if they're a van or a...
Only the van, sir, includes aircon. For the Scrum, pickup, multi-cab, additional 20K.
And how about the double cab?
Double cab includes aircon already.
Okay, so the double cab comes with aircon,
with aircon.
but the 2-door truck doesn't.
Not included.
Yeah. So anyway, here's your prices there. So that. So here's some of those basic shells that they put on the back. I guess they get them like this, and I don't know if they're plastic or fiberglass. I'm gonna go over there and thump it and see. Yeah, is this oh no, fiberglass. You can see the fiberglass grain and stuff. So yeah, they get these rear covers and fiberglass, and then they bondo them all up and make them all smooth on the inside and outside. These are little side benches that you can sit on in the back of the double cab. They're short. So anyway, here's some wheels that they have. You can get custom wheels and stuff. These are 13-inch rims typically. Yeah, 13-inch rims. Here's well, actually this is a 13-inch rim here. That's what you typically get on there. This is like a 15 or 14-inch rim. Let me see what it says here. No, it says 13. This is the 13 right there. See that? 13 LT. And this is 13 too, but this may be more like a four-wheel drive, which is probably what I would get, because I want a four-wheel drive just to have that feature. And here's other rims that you can get, custom rims like that. You can get that. So they have quite a selection of stuff, and like I said, just about any color of paint you want, any scheme that you want, any decorations you want, they'll put on there. There is maybe a little extra, but it's not much. Here's bumpers, stainless steel bumpers. I'm gonna have to turn it sideways like that so you can really see this. You can put these stainless steel bumpers on, so you can dress them up as much as you want. So here they're painting the two van doors, or the two double cab doors here. They just prop them up side by side and mask them and shoot them with paint. And here's a double cab. I think I showed you this one before. So yeah, I'll show you the van too. This is the back of the van. It's got two seats on the transformer. The two seats the rear seats will fold down and kind of make almost like a big flat area. Not completely flat, because the seat will be a little bump, maybe a 2 or 3 inch bump up where they are. But you got plenty of room here to throw stuff. Here's the double cab, which is what I probably would get if I get one. And again, the back, not that big, but big enough to throw, whatever, bags of cement if you're building stuff, or who knows what. See, they gut these things, and before they paint them, and then, like I said, the interior, the seats and stuff are all getting new seat covers. They, like I said, they import them from Japan, and if they get these like this where they're cut in half, that's a salvage, and you don't have to pay your value-added tax, which is 20% import tax. So that's the advantage of getting these. But then really your 20% goes right back into it, because you're basically tearing it apart, cleaning it all up, putting new floor mats. You can see they're putting the floor mats in here. It's just like a little vinyl type floor mat in the back of that van. And new interior. They also have to convert this from right-hand drive to left-hand drive. See, because our steering wheels are on the left side. Japanese steering wheels are over here, so they have to convert that. And here's the engine. The engine is under there. They're all 3-cylinder Suzuki engines, but these transformer ones are the latest model with the best fuel mileage and reliability, and that kind of thing. So anyway, they're spraying undercoating. You can see this gray, kind of black and white splatter kind of a undercoat. They strip them all out. So they really do a pretty thorough job. And you can see the ceiling, they painted it all on the inside. And so anyway, they're shutting down. Like I said, it's dark. They're shutting down, and I'm gonna head out. So we will be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. There's your transformer van. Bye for now.